I've got a quick project for you today. This is something I did many years ago. It only took a day, it was really fast, but it made a huge visual improvement. If you check out these before and after photos, you get the idea. Hope you guys enjoy this. Sorry I don't have video. I did this project many years ago before I ever started doing YouTube, so hopefully you can still enjoy it and get the information that you need out of it to try this where you want.
So I started this project first by going into SketchUp, taking the dimensions that are on the back wall and doing a little visualization. I wanted to stagger the sizes of planks and see what it looked like, and I was really happy with this. And the next part was really trying to find the supplier. Now this company that I found is not the place I actually bought it for. I couldn't find the original place, but I checked out their materials, and really it is kind of down to the style that you want. And so when you find the style and color that you want, that's what you're going to go with, and it might help to get samples first. Another thing that I did is I couldn't get the sizes that I wanted, since I wanted those little 2-inch pieces. And so I ended up cutting other types of material, and they were different thicknesses. So this looks like a better way to start. One thing that I did to the material I had is I took a belt sander to it and gave it sort of a brushed woodwork. It made it look less plasticky and more like wood. So these are more detailed pictures of what the wall looked like with the ugly lights and everything. And those chairs were holding up our bowl. We had a Great Dane, and so he ate pretty high. We pressure washed the stucco, and we also we did that before we painted, and then we painted furring strips, which were just like 1x2s or 1x4s, and we painted those the same color, and we spaced those apart. I think you probably could space it apart every 16 inches, almost like wall studs. And we also put an adhesive behind it, so when it was screwed into the stucco, it would also have the adhesive holding it on. And I put silicone over each screw to make sure that water wouldn't penetrate. But as you can see, it turned out a huge difference. Did not take long, and it made a huge visual impact. Since it's impossible to predict what kind of walls you might have, you just need to make sure that you fasten it properly to your wall. Some walls have stucco over plywood, some have stucco over just mesh, and so it's important to know what your wall's made of. And if you're not sure, you might want to talk to a professional about it. I've remodeled a bunch of houses, and I was pretty confident in my abilities to do this one. Anyway, it's a quick one. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, feel free to make a comment, and I look through those and respond. Have a great day.
You're awesome.
Liked it.
Woo!